In this lesson, we're going to discuss the final assignment for the course. Alright, so we've gone through volume 3 of our course, and we've discussed how to create interactivity in your game. So we started out by creating a player character that we could set up our inputs to allow the player to move around, also how to jump and then look around using the mouse, and we even created an interact blueprint that would allow us to interact with objects in the scene. Now we've gone over a basic look at blueprints. If you want to learn more about blueprints and learn more in depth about blueprints, you can always go into our Introduction to Blueprints course. So let's talk about the final assignment for this course. What I would like you to do is to go ahead and continue on with your scenes that you've been working with up to this point. And I want you to create some object that could act as a key. So you could use just a standard object, or you could just use the pickaxe again. And I want you to create some logic based on what we've talked about on how to open up a treasure chest. And so a way that you could do that is you could do the exact same thing that we did, but don't destroy the treasure chest. You might want to explore some different nodes to maybe print out a message to the console saying that the treasure chest has opened. Or you could even go a little bit further and see how you can animate the lid of a treasure chest opening or something like that. Now, if you want to use this, we have the prop for a chest. Okay, so here's the chest right there. And I'll go ahead and I'll import the lid into that as well, so it'll be two different components for that. And so just kind of play around with that and try to create some quick logic. Just get a little more acquainted with the blueprints inside of Unreal. So I hope you guys had fun in the 3 volumes. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope it was very quick for you. That's the point of all of these. And from here, I would suggest moving on into some of the other introduction courses, like Introduction to Unreal, where that gives you a full-on view of how to go about creating a level. That goes into laying out and planning levels using BSP geometry, and then how to go about adding your static meshes in, applying all of those and creating materials. And then you can move into some other introduction courses like Introduction to Lighting, Introduction to Blueprints. You could even go into the course, the Game Asset Pipeline course. Those are all great courses to jump off from here. So I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.